Welcome back to another episode of vidIQ Shorts. 60 seconds, one topic, let's go. There's a long-held YouTube rumour that goes along the lines of this. If my content isn't monetized, then YouTube won't promote it as highly in search results and suggested videos. The reasonable argument being that there would be no reason to push content that doesn't earn YouTube any money. And with the recent changes to the YouTube Partner Program, this topic of conversation has surfaced once again. The question is it true? The answer, in YouTube's own words, is monetization status is not used to inform how videos display on YouTube. If your channel is no longer in the YouTube Partner Program after February 2018, it does not mean your videos will be limited in search and discovery. Now, whether you choose to believe this is of course entirely up to you, but consider this: if it is true, every single video creator who has ever lived went through the same suffering before they were able to monetize their content. It's up to you to decide whether you think YouTube is with you or against you.